In this video, we will discuss about Palsy disease. It is a neurological disease that is occurred. Uh, One of the reason, not that is occurred. One of the reason that this disease can occur is because of HSV-1 virus, and this herpes, that is HSV virus, has a genetic material in the form of double-stranded DNA. So, what are the symptoms of this Bell's palsy? Is that the facial nerve is inflamed and swollen. Or in this figure, we can see that half part of the body is paralyzed or weak, it is non-functional. Reason for this is that the muscle that is responsible for maintaining this reflexes is not functioning properly. So, as as we know right now, we know that herpes virus create complex reactions that might cause this Bell's palsy. So how this herpes virus infect the cells, let us go through that thing, so that it will give us some of the possible opportunities from where we can prevent the infection of this herpes virus, and thereafter prevent the situation of this Bell's palsy in the patient. So the infection occurred with this herpes virus come in contact with the receptors, that is GH, GL or GB. After that, the receptors, uncoating of the receptors will happen. Then the capsid that contains the viral DNA will come out. After that, the viral DNA will function in two forms. One is viral lytic replication. This viral lytic replication means that the early replication or immediate replication of the DNA as soon as it gets exposed to the host cell's machinery. So it will take the advantage in viral lactic replication. It will take the advantage of host cellular machinery to produce the virus, and then uh, and then expose and then transport them to the extracellular matrix, where it can infect the other viruses. Other thing that can happen is that some part of this viral DNA will move to viral latency. Viral latency means that virus is present within the cells, but it is in the dormant state, and simultaneously this viral episome formation will also occur uh, with the help of host chromosome. So what is this viral episome? Viral episome is that it will take advantage of the host transcription machinery and produce this viral episome. So what will happen is that this viral episome will take care of the viral that are in dormant state, and helps them towards activation in the future. So when the viral is reactivated in future, it will accelerate, or it will replicate the result that is produced during viral lytic replication. So this is how this herpes virus will uh, infects the host cells, and also produce more viruses, so that it can infect other cells also. So in this case, the difference from other viruses is the receptors. This time the receptor is, in herpes virus, the receptor is GH, GL and GB, whereas different viruses have different kind of receptors. And another thing that is difference in this herpes virus is that is genetic material. It is in the form of double-stranded DNA, so it does not has to carry the reverse transcript state as most of the viruses that contains, as almost not all of the viruses that contain genetic material as RNA has their own reverse transcriptase that helps the RNA to convert back to DNA, so that the DNA can be that DNA sequence can be used by host cellular machinery to produce the virus, or this DNA sequence can be integrated to the host cellular machinery so that it can take over the host cellular machinery for the production of virus. However, in this case the DNA is directly present, so it will eliminate one step to convert RNA into DNA in case of herpes virus. So I hope you have understood uh, this some information about Bell's palsy. If you need to understand more information about this, you can go through the description that has been provided in the slides and also in the uh, description box. These references are also been provided in the description box. You can go through those references. The retrovirus, and one more thing before ending this video, is that the retrovirus are those virus uh, that contains RNA as their genetic material. So if someone gets a doubt that what is retrovirus, then just in simple words, you can understand, as I have said it just now, that retrovirus are those viruses that contains genetic material as a RNA, not a DNA. So this herpes virus is not a retrovirus. That's all for this video. Thank you for your time.